Why you like that?
I will spank you, but you need to face the wall and listen to me.
Are you my mom?
Yeah.
What?
I want to face the wall.
You don't have the right. I'm your mom. But Mama has the right to discipline Ace Ace. But Ace Ace doesn't have the right.
So,
What?
listen to mom. The mom.
Hmm?
The mom. The mom. The mom. But you have to write to spank me. You have to write to spank me.
Yeah, I have the right to spank you.
No way! It's not fair!
Why it's not fair?
You time